Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics with your host Milton Ebiwari John. We are still on the series of videos on percentages, and today we'll be looking at converting percentages to decimal fraction. Converting percentages to decimal fraction. In our last video, we looked at converting percentages to vulgar fractions, but today we're converting them to decimal fraction. Okay, so to convert percentages to decimal fractions, all we need to do is to divide it by 100. Divide the percentage by 100, and then we are done. So we have examples on the board here. It says, convert each of the following percentages to decimal fraction. And the very first one here is 45%. So quickly we are going to solve this. So we say 45%. Remember, yes, in our last class we said you can express this as 45 over 100. And the next thing we need to do is to change this to a decimal fraction. To do that, this number up here at the numerator is 45. It's a number without a decimal place. So for every number without decimal point, the decimal is at the end of the number. So I have it here 45 point. So the decimal point is at the end of the number for all numbers without decimal point. So to convert this to a decimal number, we count the number of zeros we have at the denominator. We have just 2 zeros. Okay, for 100, we have just 2 zeros. So we are going to take the point from here backwards 2 steps. So go 1, 2, and the point will fall before 4. Okay, so we are going to have, I say we have 2 zeros, so we are going to move the point backwards 2 steps, but we have 2 zeros in 100. So we are going to move the point 2 steps, 1, 2. So we have 0.45. So we'll move it 1, 2. So we have 0.45. So since here is empty, we can fix it as 0. So 45% as a decimal fraction is 0.45. Is 0.45. Okay, let's see the second example. B. It says we are going to change 3.1% to a decimal fraction. Remember, we can write this as 3.1 over 100. 3.1 over 100. For this number, we already have a decimal point, so we are only going to move the decimal point backwards 2 steps because we have 2 zeros in 100. So very easy, we can do that. So I'm moving this 1, 2. So the point comes in here. So we have, we can fill here with a 0 and put a 0 at the beginning. So this becomes 0.031. So 3.1% is the same thing as 0.031 in decimal fraction. Please share this video. You can subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos, and as well give comments in regard to the exercise I will give you now. convert or change the following percentages to decimal fractions. A, 25%, and then B is 3.7%. Drop your solution at the comment section. Bye.